What's up, everybody? It's your boy G Money back at it again with another video on the channel. So like always, real quick, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right down below the video. Like always, if you enjoyed the content, put that thumbs up. If you didn't like it, oh well, don't even watch the video, but hopefully I do like the video. And all you gotta do now is just hit that notification bell, that way you don't miss out on any content that I put on the channel. And like always, if you do those three things, I'd greatly appreciate it. And you'll be part of the G35 fam. So, that being said, let's get this video started. So, how's it going, everybody? To all the new subscribers, thank you. I hit 900 subscribers the other day. So, I need 99 more. And I'll hit 1,000. So, hopefully we can get to that 1,000. But, just want to show my appreciation once again to all the subscribers that subscribed recently. I actually checked it out since the last video I did when I hit 800. It only took like 2 months to hit that 100, so pretty good. Hopefully y'all enjoy the content, and like always, share the videos. But yeah, so wanted to say thank you to all the new subscribers and everybody subscribed to the channel. So on this video, I'm gonna replace the tail light that was damaged. I got that in the mail, so I'm gonna open that up. I also got some other packages, some stuff that I that I had ordered on eBay, some lights, and then I also got some to show my support for other G35 owners, and for their channels. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm a little rusty. I'm a little nervous. I haven't did this in a while. Anyways, no edit. This is all uncut. Like I said, I do all my videos, one take. So, but I'm not gonna edit that out or leave that. It is what it is. But what I'm saying is, I try to show my support to other, other G35 owners. So, I buy some of their merch or whatever. So, I'll shout them out, give some support to their channel. They also have a G35, so yeah, I'm gonna open that up. But been talking too much, so let's get this video started. So as you can see, I got some packages right here. So these right here, I already know what they are because I had ordered it. But so as you can see, I got two different kinds. Let me open this one. Once again, I got these off of eBay, so we'll see how it is. But yeah, I don't know if you can tell, they're different colors. I don't know which color to get because I'm trying to match the gauges on the G35. It's more like an orange, yellow. I don't know. This one might be the one. But I'm gonna probably plug this in. This is like to detail the give the center console some style, a little bit of futurish look. I know you've seen videos on that where they put the LEDs all on the dash and all that. So I don't know, I just thought I'd try it out. So I got these, so I'm gonna install that. So that's what that is. I'll put that back there, and then this is a fellow G35. He has a channel, you probably know him, Aaron. So I thought I'd show support, and I had got a an air freshener for your car, but I like the way it looks. So, and then there's that. So all the G35 owners, I know y'all have heard of his channel, Aaron. So check out his channel, and yeah, showing my support. I like the way it looks. I'm not gonna open it, so I'll just probably leave it in the package. And then this one. So there's another subscriber that he's also has a G35 sedan. Kenny, I know who I know who you are. Yeah, he has a G35 sedan. I think it's a 06. Don't get mad at me if it's not, but his is yeah. He has a nice G35, so check out his channel. But yeah, he I got some of these stickers from him just to show my support. But yeah, I like collecting stickers and all that. But yeah, so shout out to Kenny and his G35. Yeah, that's his channel right there. So, but yeah, if y'all have like merchandise or y'all want me to support y'all or whatever, shout y'all's name out, just let me know. And you know, I'm there to support y'all, cause you know we all started from zero. So I'm just trying to show my support now that my channel is getting a little bit bigger. Don't worry, after I hit 1,000, I'm not gonna talk to anybody no more. I'm gonna do my own thing and I'm gonna live in my mansion. Yeah, right. But I am gonna be the same person. I mean, it is what it is, guys. So I'm just trying to get that 1,000 subscribers. So we'll keep making videos, and hopefully I can get to that 1,000 subscribers by the summer, hopefully. So yeah, so I got this Taillight because, yeah, if you notice on my other video, they bashed the Taillight. So I'm gonna I got another Taillight, got it for real cheap. It came off another used G35. So I didn't buy the whole Taillight, like with the reverse part, because on the G35 sedan, it's not a whole Taillight. You have where the reverse lights are, you have another piece. I didn't really need that. I just needed the Taillight with the turn signal and all that. So I just got that. So I got it for like 35 bucks. So I mean, I'm not expecting it to be the best, but hey, a Taillight's a Taillight, right, guys? So yeah, I'm gonna install this, and we're gonna see how it comes out. So yeah, let's I know for a fact to install it, the tools you'll need, I use like a flathead to pop off those little clips, and then it's a I think it's a yellow nut driver. I think it's 5/16. But anyways, let's install this light, and hopefully everything works out. Alright, so like I said, you have a clip here and a clip here. That way this whole piece comes off. So yeah, I just use a flathead. And then yeah, it's a 5/16 nut driver. That way you can take off the 3 screws. So right here you have 1 screw. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So let me take off this whole piece, and then we're gonna take this off, remove those 3 screws, those 3 nuts, and then take off all the harness and all that. So let me do that right now. There. Okay, put those in my pocket, that way I don't lose them. And then right here you have a piece, pop that off, and then right here you got another clip. There's 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. Actually there's 4. So put that over here. Okay, so right here, you just pop them off. Then you bring this little piece down, right, and then right here, boom, boom, boom. So you use your nut driver, make sure you don't lose those screws. And loosen them up. Okay, once you loosen them up, alright, like that. Then put the nuts in your pocket, that way you don't lose them. Okay. This is real easy to do, guys. I just thought I'd show y'all how to do it. If you don't know how, but if you do, well then I'll just shut up. So I got that was removed. Okay. Gotta get this loose now. Man, it's already broken, so I might as well just break it off, right? Okay, there we go. Don't tell me there's another bolt. There probably is, right? No, it's actually just those three. Just being stubborn. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, made a mistake. So right here, there's another one. So yeah, another one. But yeah, so there's 4. Because yeah, looking at this, I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, but I didn't catch that because this right here was supporting the wires. So once I remove that one, the whole tail light will come off. Okay, so removed everything, and just like that, pops off. So then you just remove this little harness there. It's kind of hard to do things with one hand, so I'm gonna remove that, and the whole tail light shall disassemble. All right, so it was a little tricky, but the way I did it was I pushed down, and while I was pushing down, I wedged my flathead in between to like open it up, and then just like that. So this is the old one. Take off this. I'm gonna take off this, and then take this off because this is my turn signal, my last fit LED turn signal. So take that off. I'm trying, guys. I only have one hand. I'm not that strong with my fingers, so I'm gonna remove all that, and then we'll plug it in and check it out. All right, so plug it back in. These are the LEDs. The reason why I like these right here from Last Fit are because you don't have to wire up anything. These already they already have it built in where you don't have that blinking where you have to do all that customizing, wiring and all that. So I'm gonna put this back in. I already checked it, turned on the lights, made sure they work, and yeah, so I'm gonna close it all up, and that's it. Alright, so I'll put all the screws back on. I'll cover this all up. Put this back on. Okay, and then with my clips, put it back there, close it up. And there we go. And there's a new light. And I saw some of my other subscribers, y'all left comments on how to get this fixed, so I'm gonna check that out. But yeah, so I know my car's dirty, but it's all right as long as I got the tail light fixed. That's all that matters. So yeah. But I know this video was a little long. Anyways, I know this video was long, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all how to install a tail light, and just say my congratulations and appreciation to all my new subscribers and for hitting 900 subs, so that's a plus. And then yeah, I'll probably do a video on these. I think this one might look a little bit better with the gauges, but we'll see. I don't know, it's not a for sure thing. I just want to see how it comes out, so I'll probably just do a little video on this just to see what it looks like. But yeah, I know this was a long video, but if y'all stuck around, thank you. If you didn't, if I put you to sleep, well, maybe I helped you out right there. You know, you were dozing off, so you know, whatever it is, thank you guys. Like I said, let's get to those 100 more subscribers. What's a scriber? More subscribers, and get that 1,000. So appreciate it. And like I said, sorry if I was rambling a little bit, but I do everything with no cuts or no edits. It's just all one take. So, but thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. It's your boy G Money. Like always, have a great day. Peace.